Welcome to the wood studio at Mixxer. When working in this shop, be sure to wear boots or closed-toed shoes. Also, notice that you don't have any loose-fitting clothing that could get tangled in any moving parts of any machines. The rest of the safety gear you'll need, provided by Mixxer, includes safety glasses and earmuffs. These can be retrieved from the case beside the restrooms before heading into the wood shop. It is recommended that you wear this safety gear not only when you are operating a machine, but whenever anyone in the shop is running equipment. In this video, we'll cover the miter saw, also called the chop saw, but first let's prepare the material. Measuring tools such as squares and measuring tapes are located in the drawers on the left side of the miter saw. Keep in mind that the width of the blade is removed from the wood as you measure and mark the piece. Now moving to the saw, if you have any reason to place your fingers near the blade, always unplug the tool first. Set the angle of the blade by lifting the small black handle and sliding it to the side along the scale, then locking it into place. If the angle you need does not have a preset detent, you can find the angle and press down on the miter lock handle to prevent the blade from slipping during the cut. Set your measured and marked wood flush against the fence below the blade. Pull the blade downward to check the alignment. When you are ready to cut, be sure the saw is plugged in. Then follow the 4 steps. 1. While the blade arm is still in the upright position, pull the trigger and hold it. 2. Lower the blade in a smooth, steady pace to cut through the wood. 3. Release the trigger and wait for the blade to stop. 4. Lift the blade back to its original upright position. After you have finished with the miter saw, remember to remove any scraps and return measuring tools to the drawer, leaving the space clean for the next person. Safety glasses go back to the flex space for sanitizing. If you have any questions, Mixxer staff are always happy to assist.